CAM Technologies is a small business, and to be recognized by the world leader in industrial automation means a lot to our entire team. CAM Technologies specializes in industrial compressed air management. Our products and services are geared towards operating, monitoring, and maintaining industrial compressed air systems to run more reliably and more energy efficiently. Denso, a leading automotive supplier, and Energy Systems Group partnered with CAM Technologies to help achieve Denso's goal of becoming carbon neutral by 2035. We removed outdated air dryers and air compressors and replaced them in conjunction with a large redesign of the existing piping system. We also installed a CAM Technologies CamLink Premier compressed air management system. The entire project was implemented with no impact to production and no downtime at the facility. Our project reduced the annual carbon output by 3,110 tons per year. In addition to a strong ROI, this project was also able to secure funding from Consumers Energy in the form of a $493,000 rebate. On behalf of CAM Technologies, we're very excited to accept the Sustainability Award at the 2025 Partner Network Conference. We are excited to continue and grow our partnership with Rockwell Automation to improve sustainable manufacturing around the world.